Today I'm going to show you how to post updates on Facebook. So to post an update, what you simply need to do is go ahead and click on what's on your mind at the top of the page. Over here, you will see that you can type in text. You can also add mentions. So if you type in the @ button, you will be able to type in or tag certain people in this update. You can also go ahead and add music. You can tag or collaborate with other users. You can add a location, a feeling or activity, and then you can turn this into a fundraiser. You'll also be able to access your gallery. You can add GIFs. You can go live. You can do WhatsApp calls, life update, AI images, and even jobs. You can then also make this public or private on the bottom of this page. You can turn on or off the synchronization to Instagram and Threads. And once you're done, you're going to say next, and you'll be able to preview what your update looks like, and then quite simply click on post update.